Okay, hi everyone. So I have this question. I heard about this foreign exchange transaction rule. Can you tell me more about it? Okay, I'll try to cover this in as lay person lingo as possible. This foreign exchange transaction rule mainly states that as a foreigner, if you're purchasing property in Thailand, you have to use your own foreign currency, or you have to use a foreign currency to make this purchase. You cannot use Thai baht to purchase the property in Thailand. So if a developer tells you this property is 8 million Thai baht, you cannot take out 8 million Thai baht and pass the 8 million to the developer. The developer can just collect your money, but you will not be able to transfer the title to your name. So what you need to do is that you need to show that foreign currency, you have used foreign currency to make payment on this property. And one of the ways that you can do that, right, is to do a telegraphic transfer from your home country. So if you are based in Malaysia, then you would go to a Malaysian bank, and then you would ask the Malaysian bank to do a telegraphic transfer. Then when the money reaches Thailand, the developer on its end, you will receive the money in Malaysian ringgit, and then it will be converted to Thai baht. So the conversion has to be done in Thailand. It cannot be converted in Malaysia and then Thai baht sent over to Thailand. So you need to send ringgit over. What this means is that on many occasions, you won't know the exact ringgit that you to make payment for. So what you do is that you kind of have to estimate, and then you usually send a bit more. And then at the end of the day, right, when they do the conversion here, the developer will tell you how much more did you send, and then they will accumulate everything at the end, and then this excess they will return it back to you. But when you send ringgit over, the developer will be able to retrieve this foreign exchange transaction slip or this FET slip. So this FET slip is required when you want to lodge the property in your personal name at the land title department. So the land title department can only put the property in your name if they see a valid FET. Okay, so that's all, and I'll see you guys at the next video.